Got that one. First one. It's probably a 10, 10 and a half, maybe an 11. 11 and 3/4. I'm just throwing a really natural color. Gray head and kind of like a pinkish blue. Kind of looks like the minnows around here. Ooh, good one. Man, I caught him in the middle of all that shad. And there's still some more in that pile too. Oh man, look at that school of white bass or something. I'm about to get attacked. I think it was white bass. Right when I was about to land on the crappie tree. Black nose. Wow, he's kind of pink. Oh no, this one might be 10. Dang. Here comes one. Get out of there. This one feels healthy. Yes, it does. Damn, nice one. Almost 13. See if I can stay on them. Oh, lost that one. Alright, so we're gonna hide the reverse range. Just to make it look better. Finally. This guy's probably 9. Yeah, he bit it very lightly. Stuck on the tree. Alright, this one's definitely good size. Oh, at least it's a keeper. Oh, I did get him. All right. Dang, that was the next cast. I thought this school would be tired by now. They don't like the purple one. Didn't even get a bite with it. So they keep eating the natural color. Yep, the ones in the back are still hungry. Wow, this one looks purple. That's pretty cool. Look at that color. It's like like purplish. Yep, that's what color my knees are turning. Even with the overcast. Super light. Can't even tell they're hitting it. Alright. This is working on the back of the pile now. This guy's gonna be close. I think that's where I'm gonna end it. I left them biting. There they are. I put 2 waypoints on it though, just in case the first one didn't work. Yeah, it's a pretty good stash of them. I thought they were gonna quit biting, but they didn't. When I came out here today, I started with these 5 right here, all 5.5 foot ultralight. Let's see, in wintertime, I was using the 10-pound, 8-strand moss braid with a 4-pound cigar leader. And then for summer, I just went HiVis 15-pound braid and 8-pound cigar leader. And it works better on pendulum. It comes in a little slower. And then in wintertime, that really thin line is really good for vertical fishing. But they're all broke off. This is how they ended up. Alright, let me wrap this up. Man, right in the middle of all them woods. Drum. Oh yeah. Oh, this guy got some good teeth too. I'll have to just